this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video, as you can see, we have a one monster notebook. We are gonna open the back panel and we are gonna clean our fonts. Actually, I think there are a lot of dirt inside that notebook. First of all, I would like to disconnect to our battery. Like that, as you can see, we take off our battery. And let's try to unscrew every screw. As you can see, there are a lot of screws in here. You can see we unscrew the entire screws. Our screws are here, maybe 10 screws. There was a lot of screws around that notebook. And let's try to open the back panel. I'm opening the first time, that's why it's a little bit hard to open that back panel. I'm using that plastic tool, I mean not a steel or iron. That's why I think I won't make any damage for this. But I think there is a one screw in here. We should remove that also because the panel is not coming. Yeah, there is one more in here. Finally open to our back panel like that. Yeah, this is our main board, and as you can see we have two fans in here, and the RAM, also the SSD parts we are gonna see. Our cooler in here. I'm not changing the thermal paste in here, but I'm just do it some fast air. I'm gonna click using my fast air because the fans are actually really good condition right now. I wasn't expecting that. As I said, I am just made fast air in here. SSD yok içinde ama. But as you can see, we don't have any SSD in here. They take off. I mean, I don't know why, but there is no SSD in here. Clean it up with our fast speed air, and also I cleaned that back panel also. Let's try to put that back panel inside our notebook like that. Yeah. And let's unscrew every screw we take off before. We unscrew entire screw. Let's put our battery back. Like that, and we cleaned up our monster notebook. The condition was really good actually. Before I opened it, I didn't realize that. I was thinking it was horrible, but it was good. The hot air, the speed air is enough for that notebook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.